What if I told you these viral AI UGC ads were created in just a few minutes without filming anything, hiring actors, or even touching a camera? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make AI UGC ads in 2026 that look 100% real, convert like crazy, and can be scaled infinitely using AI tools. No experience, no budget, no excuses. Just a step-by-step system you can copy to start creating your own viral ads today. Let's get into it.
First, we need to generate the AI character we want. Now, we go to Fotor's AI image generator function. Upload our reference image and enter the prompt words. Select the Nano Banana Pro model. Then specify the aspect ratio, resolution, and number of images you want. Click Generate.
I've also specifically added keywords like phone perspective, front camera, and selfie to the prompt words. This is because UGC content is often created directly from photos taken with a mobile phone.
After a brief wait, your generated images will be ready.
To support the demonstration in this video, I specifically created a virtual product, Fotor Vitamins.
To ensure the final result looks as realistic as possible, I also generated a 3x3 grid of images showing the product from various angles. This allows us to adjust the product's orientation to match the AI actor while maintaining a highly realistic visual aesthetic.
Now, we need to place the product into the hands of our AI influencer.
Once again, select Fotor's AI image generator feature and upload the images of both our AI influencer and the product. Enter your prompts. Specifically, I added the instruction. Please ensure that the lighting on the product matches the lighting of the surrounding environment. Click the Generate button.
This ensures the product does not look out of place or incongruous with its surroundings.
Then select the image that appears the most realistic and natural. Next, switch to Fotor's Image to Video feature. Select the Google VEO 3.1 model. Upload our final image and enter your prompt. Remember to toggle on the audio button. Set the resolution to 1080p and set the duration to 8 seconds to ensure there is sufficient time to showcase the content. After a brief wait, you will get video like this.
I've tried so many vitamins and most of them just made me feel worse, but these Fotor vitamins are different.
As you can see, I have now generated a complete AI UGC video and the results look fantastic. However, to further enhance its visual polish, let's add an outro screen.
Staying within the Image to Video feature, simply upload your product reference images and enter a prompt instructing the AI to generate a dynamic design clip, specifically a product reveal. Then click the Generate button. As you can see, the AI has produced a series of cool visuals, resulting in a beautifully crafted product outro screen.
Now, if you piece all the footage together and add background music to put the finishing touches on the entire piece, the final result will look something like this.
I was honestly skeptical at first. I've tried so many vitamins and most of them just made me feel worse, but these Fotor vitamins are different. It's gentle, balanced, and gives me clean energy without the spike. It's the simple routine I've been looking for. If you need a balanced routine, you have to try this.
This concludes the complete process of creating AI UGC ads using Fotor. If you like the prompts used in this video, please leave a comment below saying prompt. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. See you next time.